the search for life. A question older than civilization itself. Since the first spark of thought flickered in the human mind, we have looked upward, into the vast, silent sea of stars, and wondered what might be waiting beyond the dark. Every night sky has been a mirror, reflecting our curiosity, our fear, and our hope. And somewhere within that endless black canvas, a single question has echoed through eternity, a whisper that refuses to fade. Are we truly alone in the universe? From the moment firelight met starlight, humanity has searched for meaning in the heavens. The Babylonians traced the stars across clay tablets, believing constellations guided destiny itself. The Egyptians built monuments aligned with the rising sun, bridging heaven and earth through stone and light. Across continents and centuries, philosophers, mystics, and dreamers imagined other realms, perhaps even other beings, hidden among the distant lights. They saw gods and spirits in the night sky, but beneath their myths lived a single, burning desire, to understand, to know what lies beyond the fragile horizon of our world. As time moved forward, our eyes sharpened, our reach grew bolder. Polished stones became lenses. Lenses became telescopes. And telescopes became great observatories that touched the edge of the heavens themselves. We built machines that could see what no human eye could ever see. We learned to collect the faintest light, to listen to the whispers carried on the breath of the cosmos. Each discovery pulled the veil of mystery back just a little further, yet deepened our wonder even more. We began to realize something profound. The night sky is not a ceiling. It is an ocean, vast, alive, and endless. And humanity, we are only beginning to sail. That ancient dream, once whispered in temples and told by firelight, has become a science. Not a matter of faith or imagination alone, but a pursuit powered by data, precision, and daring creativity. We no longer simply gaze upward. We listen to the stars. We read their language written in light. We measure the glow of distant suns, decode their hidden signatures, and trace their stories across billions of years. Every photon that touches our instruments is a traveler from the past, a fragment of history carried across the vast ocean of space and time. And among the wonders we have built, none shines brighter than the James Webb Space Telescope. Launched in 2021, Webb is not just an instrument, it is humanity's golden eye in the void. A time traveler stationed a million miles from Earth, watching the dawn of creation unfold before its gaze. Its vast mirror, more than 6 meters wide, unfolds like a cosmic flower, catching the faintest embers of ancient light that began its journey before the Earth was even born. Unlike Hubble, which saw the universe in visible color, Webb peers through dust, darkness, and distance, into the infrared realm, where the earliest galaxies and stars still whisper their beginnings. Through its golden gaze, we can finally see the invisible, the birth of stars, the formation of galaxies, and the faint shimmer of worlds orbiting distant suns. Each image it returns is not just a picture of the universe. It is a window into our origin, a message from the beginning of everything. The James Webb Space Telescope is more than a machine. It is a bridge between what humanity once was and what it is destined to become. Because through it, we are not just observing the cosmos. We are rediscovering our place within it. Among all the distant worlds Webb has studied, one has captured our imagination unlike any other, a small, silent planet circling a dim red sun in the quiet constellation of Leo. Its name, K2-12B. At first glance, it seemed unremarkable, just one more exoplanet among the billions that fill our galaxy. But hidden within its atmosphere was a secret that could change everything we thought we knew. K2-12B lies in the habitable zone of its star, the perfect cosmic distance where temperatures might allow liquid water to exist. And where there is water, there may be life. When scientists turned Webb's golden mirror toward this world, they saw something extraordinary. Light passing through its atmosphere carried the fingerprints of familiar molecules, water vapor, methane, and carbon dioxide, the same building blocks that make Earth a cradle for life. But then came something even more astonishing. A faint chemical whisper. A molecule known as dimethyl sulfide, or DMS. Here on Earth, DMS is produced almost entirely by living organisms, tiny plankton drifting through our oceans, breathing out signals of life into the sky. If that signal from K2-18b is real, then somewhere across 120 light-years of space, a distant ocean world might be breathing too. It would be the first time in human history we've detected a biomarker beyond our solar system, a clue that real, biological life may exist elsewhere in the universe. K2-18b, however, is unlike any world we've ever known. It belongs to a strange class called sub-Neptunes, larger than Earth, smaller than Neptune, and completely absent from our solar family. Does it hide a rocky core beneath a deep global ocean? Or is it a miniature gas giant wrapped in a cloak of mist? No one knows for certain. It circles its cool red star at just 0.18 astronomical units, closer than Mercury orbits our Sun, completing a year in only 13 Earth days. And yet, because its star burns dim and gentle, K2-18b remains within a zone where liquid water could still endure. Scientists call it a Hycean world, a planet wrapped in hydrogen, its entire surface covered by endless, dark oceans. Imagine it. A world bathed in crimson light, its sky veiled with clouds of vapor, its horizon glimmering beneath a red sun. Beneath the waves, unseen life forms may drift, tiny alien plankton, releasing gases that rise through the atmosphere, leaving behind the faint, ghostly traces that Webb's instruments have captured. If this vision is true, then K2-18b is not just a planet. It is a message. A cosmic echo whispering through time. You are not alone. Webb uncovered these secrets through transmission spectroscopy, a method where starlight filters through a planet's atmosphere, allowing scientists to read the chemical code of another world. Each wavelength tells a story, each color a clue to the molecules shaping that alien sky. Through this method, Webb revealed methane, carbon dioxide, water vapor, and possibly DMS, the first faint breath of life beyond Earth. If these findings are confirmed, it will be one of the most profound moments in human history. For it would mean that life is not a rare miracle born of chance, but a natural rhythm of the cosmos itself. Think about what that means. If life can exist there, then among the 100 billion planets in our Milky Way, life may be everywhere, hiding in oceans beneath alien skies, thriving in forms beyond our imagination. Future missions, like NASA's upcoming Habitable Worlds Observatory, may even capture direct images of these distant realms, showing oceans, continents, perhaps even drifting clouds under alien suns. Step by step, we are drawing closer to the truth that has haunted humanity for millennia. Are we alone? Or are we part of something far greater, a cosmic family stretching across the stars? So, what do you believe? Are we hearing the first whispers of life from a far-off ocean world? Or are these simply illusions of chemistry, mimicking the breath of life in the silence of space? Whatever the truth may be, one thing is certain. With each discovery, the universe feels a little less empty. And the possibility that we are not alone burns brighter and brighter with every